you can use your birthday money.
Today, Macy is celebrating her 7th birthday at the Florida Mall with a trip to Build-A-Bear Workshop. Let's shop together and see what she picks to spend her birthday money on.
Axolotl.
I want it because it's super cute. And Stelly has it in a yellow axolotl.
Aww. Let's see what it looks like. Is that the one you want the most?
Yeah. I want to go get it.
We're gonna pick her out an outfit.
Let's go to the princesses.
Look at all the Easter stuff.
I was seeing if they had gloves.
Also, Macy, this is what I'm getting.
What
It
is
comes
it?
with a mini tie. It's a mystery thing. It comes with other stuff, and it can come with a mini tie by Axolotl. So there's a chance of getting Macy's baby.
Aww.
These pajamas are made for her.
Is that what you're gonna get as your accessory? Autumn, show Macy the egg that you picked out.
See, look, this egg, it's a golden egg that comes with one surprise mini plush. Hopefully it can come with a baby tie by Axolotl. A mini one.
Well, can I, where are they?
I'll show you.
I know how to do stitches.
They're right there.
Are you gonna get one of those too?
Can I get on?
Yes. Put it in a basket.
These are the basket stands too.
Ooh, look, Mama. This is the dress that exactly goes. That's a lot. For some reason, the bowl is cooking stuff.
Oh, is that the one she's wearing? Does she have bunny ears too? Oh, you gotta get these bunny ears.
Can I get them? Well, they fit us, so I'll get them.
Let's see how much they are. Oh, no tag. It's $5. There she goes. Easy shopping.
Every time we visit, they have new products to choose from and holiday items. Check out our Christmas and Halloween Build-A-Bear videos. Today, we saw the new Easter items and the Valentine's Day products were on sale.
Can I make a sound?
Yeah, you gonna make a sound?
Macy, look, it's Sonic too. Record your voice.
Are you gonna make your own voice?
No.
You don't want to record your own
Macy, look,
voice?
it's Sonic. Mama, listen to this.
Say it with sound. Say it with sound.
Before you put it in, it says say it with sound. Say it with sound.
What are you looking for, Macy? There's a birthday one right there, the yellow one.
Yellow?
Yellow one says special messages for birthdays. A heartbeat or I love you.
Wait, Macy, I remember something. There's
Scan your tag. pick it up and squeeze it to test it. Now pick it up. Now squeeze it. Does it work? Alright, let's go. Autumn, what is an axolotl?
An axolotl is an animal that's in Minecraft, and it's also a real life animal that is endangered because it only lives in a few small pools in Mexico.
Oh, wow.
Happy birthday, friends. Alright, we've got a little sound. Perfect. So I'm going to put it in this one right here, okay? Let's do it. Does your friend have a name yet? No, not yet? That's okay. It's the hardest part. That's okay. I'm willing to borrow it at the very end. Maybe hold on.
Do you have a heart, Macy?
You want him to be a squishy buddy or a strong buddy? Squishy buddy? Okay, go ahead and step on that pedal for me. Alright, that should be good. Thank you. Look at a little smile. Alright, what you think, friend? How's that feel? I get a little squeeze? Was good? Alrighty. And since it is your birthday, we need to make a very special birthday wish. Before we can do that, we need to do the heart ceremony. So what we're gonna do, it's super duper easy. You're gonna hold your heart, you're gonna hold it tight, and we're gonna give it a little bit of shake. Get that heartbeat started, there you go. So we're gonna put it on our back, because the friend's got on our back. We're gonna put it on our side, because they're always gonna be by our side. We're gonna aim at our toes, because they're totally awesome. We're gonna put them on our funny bone, because they're gonna be super duper funny. We're gonna put them on our hair, because they're gonna be super duper smart. We're gonna put them love, a great big hug, and seal with kisses. Make a very big birthday wish right inside. Perfect.
Did you make a wish, Macy?
Alright. And if I could borrow that tag super duper quick, thank you so much. This little bottom part is just in case our friend has an accident and needs to be fixed. We can go ahead and fix him right back up. Put that right in there. You can hold on tight to that, my friends. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and sew it right back up. And little buddy is ready to go.
Time to pick a name. Are you ready? You scan the tag down here.
Amy.
Amy?
Wait.
Amy's the axolotl.
Well, I know. Let us think of a name.
Oh.
Alexa.
Be very confusing at home. What's a good color name, Autumn? Like hues? Colors of the rainbow. Violet is a color that's a lot of colors in one. Scarlet.
I know.
What?
Can I name him Rainbow?
Rainbow? Of course you can. Furry Friend's name. R. Continue.
Can I get a collar? Can I get my collar?
Did you get everything you
Wait, let me
wanted?
see. Look. Can actually test.
You can test it out. You got everything you want, Macy?
It's time to check out. Be sure to read the description below for tips on how to save money here at Build-A-Bear Workshop.
It's ready.
Wait, did they do that? Did they do that?
Yeah, it's made for your Macy.
Oh yeah, I did see it. How old are you?
7.
Happy birthday. So here's a Build-A-Bear sticker. Happy birthday
Thank you.
from us to you. No, well you can have this. Enjoy your birthday. Have a wonderful day, you guys.
Thank you so much. Look at you, Macy.
In our videos, we share fun family activities and birthday ideas for kids and adults to enjoy together. We'd love for you to like and subscribe to
More